Hello, my beautiful tribe. This is Emily Potter. I'm the director of the Lightworker Musicians Tribe and the Million Kisses Foundation. And we had this discussion happening in our tribe last week. I want to do a live video about this. Have you been told by others or telling yourself that you just don't have what it takes to be a musician? Have you ever received that message? This video is definitely for you. We have two categories of tribe members who might feel this way. The first is that we have those who are classically trained. So you always have your professors' voices critiquing everything you do. They're just in your head, just always critiquing, and there's always this judging feeling that you are being judged or scored because you are classically trained to improve in that way. And the second category of tribe members who might feel this are those who are self-taught, and so that you're always comparing yourself to other professionals. And because you're self-taught, there's a limping that happens inside of you that you don't think that you can make it because you're not professionally trained and you haven't gone to music school. So I want to offer you a solution. I want to first share with you that if you are feeling these things, these are really holding you back, and it is time to overcome them. I'd say starting today, take a minute and breathe and allow yourself to say, yes, I am ready to have a new story around this. Otherwise, those are going to just keep replaying the rest of your life. And you deserve a new kind of relationship with your music and also with your listeners. So what happens, and the reason why this can be motivating for you to overcome, is that you continue that you have a habit and a pattern of comparing yourself to others. And you can hide all you want and say, yay for everyone else, but inside you have a hole inside of you because you're comparing yourself to others, and it will never work. It's not a sustainable thought that you're having. Another thing is that every time you put something out there musically, you're terrified of messing up, you're terrified of being judged, and then when you replay it and listen to it, you are just criticizing that sucker, and you don't stand a chance. And there's a lot of darkness, density that is holding you back from being your pure potential and your light, because that criticism and that judgment does not have a place here. So this is motivating to get on the other side of this and get right through it. The solution, tribe, are you ready to hear this? If this is your situation, I'm going to take a minute for you to really listen. You can take a breath with me. Are you ready for a new story about this? The solution is to perform for vibrationally matched audiences. Now, I'm going to give you an example of that. One of my clients recently shared with me that she is so grateful that she gets this now, that there's this vibrationally matched connection that she can have with her audiences, because she said, her quote was something like, you know, I'm never going to make it to Carnegie Hall. I'm never going to make it on Broadway, but I understand now that my purpose was never to be in those halls. It's to create ceremonial space for my audience. And I'm going to share with you, in addition, to emphasize this even more, that if you as a ceremonial medicine holder of your music was in Carnegie Hall, it's very strongly a consideration to know that it won't be a match. It wouldn't be a vibrationally match. It might be, but that's not the purpose, is how grand the hall is. It doesn't matter how big and how other people have said that this is the pinnacle of where you're supposed to be and how it looks when you're a professional, or how it looks to be so superior and good. Let's not give our power to anyone else's definitions of what it looks like to be in your pure potential. We're taking our power back, and I'm giving it and offering it to you, that you get to be in front of your vibrationally matched audience, which means that you are pure light medicine. And every single time that you have been rejected in the past, and every single time that a door has opened, it has been like a pinball machine for you to just go ping, 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 to get you right here, right now. It's been perfect for you to know truly how deep and rich your soul's purpose and your light and your music is. This is it. You're in the right place at the right time, with all of the rejections and all of the open doors being of service to you. So let's not give our power to anyone else in any other place, in any other judgments of what it should or should not look like. This is why our tribe is very, very set and founded. The foundation is on your heart. And I want you very much to feel the responsibility of releasing everything besides heart. Let it be a fun thing. But I'll come back with all of the words I'm saying. I want to come back to the emphasis and the focus that the solution in overcoming this as one of your barriers of being stuck is to play and perform in front of vibrationally matched audiences. This is one of the main tools that I give my clients, and it's one I want to make sure to offer to you to know that it is available to you. So when you are ready, reach out and we will get you in front of a consistent flow of vibrationally matched audiences. I'm going to show you how to do that on a consistent basis. And I send my love to you and know that this is a place that is not necessary to stay stuck. I honor all of you on your path, and I look forward to hearing from you one-on-one. I'll see you in the next video.